Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will convert mixed numbers to decimals. Convert the mixed number to a decimal number. We have 4 and 897 thousandths. Let's convert this into a decimal number. We know that we have 4 ones, so we will write 4 in the ones place. Now we need the decimal point. Now we will write an 8 in the tenths place, a 9 in the hundredths place, and a 7 in the thousandths place because we have 897 thousandths. 4 and 897 thousandths. We have 2 and 387 thousandths. Let's convert this mixed number into a decimal number. We know we have 2 wholes or 2 ones. Now we need the decimal point. And we have a 3 in the tenths place, an 8 in the hundredths place, and a 7 in the thousandths place. 2.387 or 2 and 387 thousandths. 6 and 7 tenths. We have 6 and 7 tenths. Let's convert this mixed number into a decimal number. We have 6 wholes or 6 ones. Now we need the decimal point. This shows tenths, and it says we have 7 tenths. So in the tenths place, we have the digit 7. 6 and 7 tenths. As a decimal is 6 and 7 tenths. 6.7. 3 and 3 tenths. Let's convert this mixed number into a decimal. We have 3 wholes or 3 ones. We need the decimal point. We have 3 tenths, so we need a 3 in the tenths place. 3.3 or 3 and 3 tenths. We have 7 and 1 half. One way to go about this is to convert this half into tenths. In order to turn the half into tenths, we need to multiply the numerator by 5 and the denominator by 5. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Now we have tenths. 1 half is equivalent to 5 tenths. So we have 7 and 5 tenths. That means we have 7 ones. Now we need the decimal point, and we have 5 in the tenths place, 5 tenths. 7 and 1 half is the same as 7.5, or 7 and 5 tenths. 2 and 1 fifth. Let's start by converting the fifth into tenths. We have 1 fifth. We have to multiply the numerator by 2 this time and the denominator by 2. 1 times 2 equals 2, and 5 times 2 equals 10. Now we have 2 tenths. So we have 2 and 2 tenths. 1 fifth is equivalent to 2 tenths. We will write 2 ones. Now we need the decimal point, and we will write 2 tenths, a 2 in the tenths place, 2.2, or 2 and 2 tenths. 2 and 2 tenths. 8 and 4 fifths. Let's start by converting 4 fifths into tenths. We have 4 fifths. We know we can multiply the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2 to create tenths. 4 times 2 equals 8. 5 times 2 equals 10. 4 fifths is equivalent to 8 tenths. So we know we have 8 ones. Now we need the decimal point, and we have 8 tenths. 8 in the tenths place, 8.8, or 8 and 8 tenths. We know that 4 fifths is equivalent to 8 tenths. 9 and 3 fourths. Let's convert this mixed number into a decimal number. We notice that we can't turn 3 fourths into tenths, but we can turn them into hundredths. We will do that by multiplying the numerator by 25 and the denominator by 25. We know that 3 times 25 equals 75, and 4 times 25 equals 100. We have 75 hundredths. That's much easier to work with. So we have 9 ones. Now we need the decimal point. This time we have 75 hundredths, a 7 in the tenths place, and a 5 in the hundredths place. We read this as 9 and 75 hundredths, or 9.75, which is equivalent to 9 and 3/4 because 3/4 is equivalent to 75 hundredths. 8 and 23/50ths. Let's start by converting 23/50ths into hundredths. We can do that by multiplying the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2. 23 times 2 equals 46, and 50 times 2 is 100. That's much easier to work with. 23/50ths is equivalent to 46 hundredths. Let's convert it into a decimal number. We have 8 ones, 8 wholes. Now we need the decimal point. And we know that 23/50ths is equivalent to 46 hundredths. So we have a 4 in the tenths place and a 6 in the hundredths place. 8 and 46 hundredths.